Hello and welcome. There is a saying that good programmers are lazy. To be fair, this is a bit tongue-in-cheek, but it does contain a kernel of truth. Good programmers are lazy because they make their machines, their computers, do the hard work for them, and often in new and interesting ways. Today, we're going to do just that. We're going to go over how to combine CodeSec by contrast and Git hooks to turn your machine into a cybersecurity expert that will code review every one of your commits without making a mistake or getting tired and doing it all for free. First, Git hooks. Git is a popular code repository tool. It has a feature called hooks, which enables you to run custom scripts whenever various repository events happen, like commits. In a project using Git, there will be a .git folder at the top level of the project. Within that will be a hooks folder. The hooks folder comes with sample scripts, including a pre-commit.sample. To get it ready to use, we can just copy it, rename it to not have the .sample file extension, and then delete its example contents. Now that the file is ready to use, we need to make sure that we have CodeSec installed. CodeSec is available at Contrast's Developer Hub. It is super simple to install. I already have it set up, and it is ready to go for our sample project. First, we're going to look at what the contrast audit command does. Audit does software composition analysis, or SCA, which means that it looks at your project's libraries for vulnerabilities. This is what the output of contrast audit looks like. Note that it found a high vulnerability in this example project. In our pre-commit script, we can take advantage of that by piping the output of CodeSec to grep. If grep finds the critical or high keywords in the output, we can display a warning message and then exit from the commit early so that our vulnerable code is never sent up to the repository. And that way, it won't be merged or accidentally released into production. Let's just finish modifying our pre-commit script to call audit. Let's try this out now. First, let's make this pre-commit file executable. This might be a necessary step if you're on a Mac OS or a Unix style machine. Next, let's try to do a commit. We can see that our pre-commit script has been triggered and it is running the audit, and it displays our warning message because it found the high keyword in the output of contrast audit. And there, it saved the day for us by exiting the commit early. Using CodeSec and grep together like this can be a real springboard for your software process automation. There are any number of other actions that you could take besides just displaying a warning message in the console. Using CodeSec in your Git hooks this way is truly like having a tireless cybersecurity expert code review each one of your commits. I encourage you to try it out for yourself and be on your way to becoming a better developer. Thanks.